Hello everyone, welcome back to Real English Conversation. In today's video, you will listen to a conversation between two passengers and a flight attendant in an aeroplane. They will speak slowly and clearly, so you can understand everything easily. Before we begin, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is the question. What do Leo and Sam choose to eat? The answer is in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. All right, let's begin.
I am so hungry, Leo. Are you hungry too?
Yes, I am. I didn't eat breakfast this morning.
Look at the menu. What do you want to eat?
I'm not sure. The chicken looks good, but the pasta looks delicious too.
I think I will choose the pasta. It is usually a safe choice on a plane.
Good idea. What about a drink?
I really want a cold soda. Traveling makes me thirsty.
I will just have water. I want to stay hydrated.
Oh, look! The flight attendant is coming with the food cart.
Finally, let's get our tray tables ready.
Hello, would you like lunch today?
Yes, please. What are the options?
We have grilled chicken with rice and vegetarian pasta.
I'll have the vegetarian pasta, please.
Of course. And for you, sir?
Can I have the chicken, please?
I'm sorry, we just ran out of chicken. We only have pasta and a ham sandwich now.
Oh, I see. In that case, I'll take the ham sandwich.
Certainly. Here is your pasta and your sandwich. Would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Yes, can I have a Coke with ice?
Sure. And for you, sir?
Just a cup of water for me, please. No ice.
Here you go. Do you need anything else?
Could I have an extra napkin, please?
Yes, here is a napkin.
And can I have some salt and pepper?
They are inside your plastic cutlery pack, sir.
Oh, I see them now. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let's go back to the question. What do Leo and Sam choose to eat? The answer is Sam chooses the vegetarian pasta and a Coke with ice, while Leo chooses a ham sandwich and a cup of water. Did you get the answer right? If yes, congratulations! Keep learning and practicing English. Thank you for watching and learning with me today. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons. See you in the next video.